Look at Mommy. It was a very stressful time because all of Seth's mode of communication was screaming. Seth had been diagnosed in the process with PDD-NOS on the autism spectrum disorder.
Welcome to the Total Body Revolution. For anyone who doesn't know me, I'm Dr. Josh Axe.
My weight had gone up to about 250, was diagnosed diabetic, adult diabetic, type 2. I was a fast food junkie like many people are.
Maybe you're a person who's had a chronic health condition that's been plaguing you for year after year after year. You've been to loads of doctors, tried all kinds of different programs, and nothing has seemed to work.
When I turned 40, my health really went downhill.
If that's you, then I'm really going to walk you through exactly what it's going to take to get healthy and well.
My first impression of Dr. Axe was that he is a man who is very educated in his field, very knowledgeable.
If you're focusing on being healthy, number one thing you need to focus on is adding a lot of raw vegetables into your diet.
I asked him would he be willing to come in and do a seminar series 4 consecutive weeks with our staff and girls, and after that 4-week series was over, I had both staff and girls telling me about how they had lost weight, about how they had increased energy. A lot of people get confused about what real nutrition is. Just because you eat food doesn't mean it's nutritional and good for your body.
Look at me. Where's Mommy's eyes? We let Dr. Axe x-ray Seth. When the x-rays came back, I didn't tell Dr. Axe anything about what we had been through with Seth over the years. He met with my husband and I and showed us the x-rays. And at that point, we saw that the curvature of Seth's neck was going the opposite direction. He has definitely made a huge difference in our lives. People were commenting who didn't even know what we were doing, that he was like a completely different child.
I've seen type 2 diabetes reversed within a matter of a few months. I've had people come in on 15, 20 medications, get off those in a matter of a few months.
As a result of seeing him only for a brief period of time, I know it's about 6 weeks, the headaches that I used to have are completely gone. I now feel like a woman again. I feel like wearing makeup. I feel like fixing my hair. I feel like dressing now.
After a month, I was off all of my medications for high blood pressure and diabetes. My weight had dropped about 15 pounds in that first month or so. I was feeling better, more energetic.
The thing I like about Dr. Axe, he's not about treating symptoms, but he's about getting to the root of the problem, correcting it, so that you can go on and not have to have that same issue over and over.
The only way to get healthy is through lifestyle. You know, right now, all of us are searching for a miracle pill.
Medication is nothing but an artificial form of healing. There's nothing ever wrong with eating the right things.
The two biggest surprising things about this whole journey over the last 4 or 5 months has been, one, how quickly I got off my meds and how good I feel. And two, the taste of the food. I absolutely taste food again. This is finally a lifestyle change. I will never go back, ever, to the way I was before.
A, B, C, D.
You know, I never in a million years thought about the child's neck.
K, L, M, O, P.
He's a very thriving little boy now. His speech is not perfect, but it is amazing how far he has come. We
We
love
up
Dr.
X.